To enable or disable assistant menu in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen, and then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel, swipe down notification panel, and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find accessibility, and then tap accessibility. Tap interaction and dexterity. Tap assistant menu. Tap assistant menu switch until blue to enable, or tap until red to disable. Show a menu of easy to reach buttons. Let you replace hard key gestures and other common interaction. This assistant menu. Screen off. You can change position. Just drag their position you want, where position you want. And to disable, tap switch until white. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.